Hi, welcome to Crash Course Database Part 2. And in this video tutorial today, we'll be talking about setting up our database environment. Normally at this point, what we'll be doing is that we'll start setting up our database environment by installing some application on our system and trying to make them run. Now, this comes with a lot of issues because so many of us uses different type of operating systems. Some of us don't even have a PC and we might be using our phone. So it will be difficult for us to follow through in that case. So I consider it better for us to use an online server for this. So for you to follow through, all you need to do is open any browser of your choice and just Google free remote database. Now, when you do this search, you'll be greeted with this free remote DB. I'm going to open this URL on Google Chrome because it's not going to allow me use it on Brave browser because Brave comes with a lot of ad blockers. I could turn off the ad blocker, but I need my ad blocker so I don't get greeted by so many unnecessary ads when I'm trying to surf the net. So all you need to do now is to click on register. I have registered previously, but I'll register again so as to show you how it works. So I would register with my email. Now I will change my username here to any username of my choice. Then password. I will just use my password. Okay, click that I'm not a robot. Then fill in this dialog. Okay, so you scroll down, then you sign up. Oops, they said the two password doesn't match. Let me quickly ensure that is not the case. Let me fix that quickly. All right, and yeah. Oh, try a different username. Sorry. So okay. All right. So this should be it. Traffic lights. Yeah. Sign up. Now I am signed in, but I cannot create my database just yet. I have to verify my email. So I quickly log into my Gmail account and verify my email. Okay. And yeah, this should be the link here. I click on verify email and that should be it. As you can see, a new dashboard is available now. And as you can see, your email has been verified successfully. Please, if you can contribute, don't forget to contribute or donate because this is a real nice thing. Someone making a database free and available for us. It's quite nice. So I'm going to use something happen in Texas. Something great in Texas. And the username is going to still be the same thing. I'm going to copy this something great in Texas. I'm going to paste it here. And my password is going to be password. So I would save this here. And as you can see, I have been able to create my database. Now, you can easily, if you have a website, you can create this database. Then from here, you can take this hosting credentials, all these database credentials, put it in your website, and you'll be able to communicate with the database using your website. But we don't have a website, so how do we communicate with database? Well, you have this php.admin button down here. When you click on it, you'll be greeted with this um, page. Yeah, this is an older DB, so I would have to log out. So I would log out like this. So you'll be greeted with this page, right? What you have to do now is copy this database name, okay, or username, depending on, ensure that they're the same thing. So you can copy it and paste the username here, right? Then you paste the password. You can also copy it and paste it here. That is this password here. Whatever password you choose to use, you can paste it here and you press go. Immediately you should be able to access your server. So this is where we'll be writing most of our SQL code. And yeah, in the next video, we'll talk about SQL, that is SQL, which is the programming, quote unquote, programming language that is used to program your MySQL database. We'll talk about it, and we'll talk about its uses, its benefits, how easy it is, and then we'll come back here and we'll start creating our databases. Thank you very much, and God bless you. Watch out.